Hey there, I'm a dude that loves space. And today, we're zooming in on the star that keeps us alive. This is Sunspot AR4079. A sunspot is a dark, cooler patch on the sun's surface caused by strong magnetic forces. This thing is massive. Here is Earth for scale. And it's gone. Those wavy hair-like lines? They're called fibrils. Tiny jets of plasma following the sun's magnetic field. Now check this out, an epic solar flare. Once it snaps, you can see it moving through the fibrils, pushing them away. This is the raw, real-time footage of the flare. See that wobbling? That's from atmospheric turbulence. Kind of like how heat makes air wiggle above a hot road, or in a mirage. Not a lot is happening right now. That's why I usually speed things up 600 times. It makes the sun really come alive. And that's it for now. If you dig this video, give it a like, hit subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. The universe is wild. Remember to look up once in a while. Just, not directly into the sun without proper protection, right? This dude's out.